Today, we will see an Ayurvedic remedy called as Lavangadhi Vati. As we know, cold and cough is the commonest symptoms caused in children till 5 years of age. These small tablets are very effective to get relief from cold and cough. The effects of this remedy can be seen within 8 hours. Let's see the ingredients and its benefits used for the preparation of Lavangadhi Vati. Cloves. These are the flower buds of the clove tree. Cloves are a versatile spice that adds flavor while also providing health benefits. They are high in antioxidants, may help regulate blood sugar, kills bacteria, and more. There are several benefits of cloves such as it boosts immunity, it improves digestion, it relieves stress, it reduces dental pain, it helps to relieve cough and cold. Black pepper. Black pepper powder is used as a common seasoning ingredient to add a punch of spiciness to any dish. It also acts as a potent antioxidant in the body, fighting the damaging effects of free radicals and lowering the inflammation associated with oxidative stress. Black pepper is not preferred to treat diarrhea. This is an excellent natural remedy for cold. Beda. Beda is also known as Bibitaki in Sanskrit, which means the one that keeps away from diseases. Beda is beneficial in relieving cough and cold symptoms due to its antimicrobial and anti-allergic properties. Taking Beda powder along with honey helps relieve cough as it improves immune health. Kadira. Kadira, commonly known as katta or black kechu, is a deciduous tree where the wood and bark of the tree are mainly valued for their indispensable medicinal purposes. Kadira is one of the most commonly used herb in Ayurveda treatment. It is commonly known as Kach tree. It is chiefly used for treating skin and respiratory problems, dental health, and it has potent astringent properties which helps in curing bleeding disorders. Kadira can be used to treat diseases like skin allergic conditions such as itching, cough, diabetes, worm infestations, etc. As we've seen the ingredients and its benefits, let's look at the measurements required to prepare Lavangadhi Vati. 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of cloves powder, 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of Beda powder, 30 grams or 6 teaspoons of Kadresa powder. Now let's see how to prepare the decoction to mix all these ingredients together. Take 1 tablespoon of Babul Quat tree extract. Add 160 ml or 2/5 cups of water and bring it to boil. Now add the Babul Quat tree extract and mix it well. Boil the decoction till it becomes half. Turn off the gas and let the concoction look. This is how the decoction should look like. Now let's make all the 4 ingredients well. Add cloves powder, black pepper powder, Beda powder and Kadresa powder. Now add the prepared decoction into this mixture and mix it well. After mixing these ingredients and making into a thick paste, let's make small tablets of this mixture. This is how the tablets should look like. These tablets should be approximately 200 mg to 250 mg. These tablets can be kept at room temperature for 12 hours. Later, you can refrigerate the tablets and store it for 2 weeks. Each Lavangadhi Vati can be given to children 2 times a day. Thank you.